Good morning. Today we're just gonna show how to play the song "Majesty" by Kari Jobe, featuring Michael Smith. That's what we're gonna be learning. The chords are very, very easy. I have my guitar over there, but we're gonna learn it on the piano for today. But for the guitar players, these are the chords that you're gonna use. It's A minor, E minor, B. Actually, it's A, E minor, B, and then a C sharp minor. So on the guitar, that's what it looks like. And on the piano, we're just gonna go through it real quick. So the first chord we have is our. The progression is E. Let me go ahead and refresh this right here. So we get the actual progression. Anyways, the progression is it's A. It's what is it? So yeah, so it's your E. It's your E minor. So your E or E, not the E minor, just E. And then it goes to the B. And then it goes to a C sharp minor. So this would be a C sharp, but we're gonna make it a minor. And then we finally go to our A. So the song goes like Majesty, Majesty. So yeah, but basically that's the progression that we're gonna use. So it's just the E, and then the B, and then the C sharp minor, and then finally your A. So I'm just gonna play it along with the song, and here's what it sounds like. So I'm just gonna have the song play in the background.